This small booklet in my hand was my final chance to Fyodor Dostoyevsky to prove me that he is worth reading, because his first book that I read was Crime and Punishment, and I did not like this book at all. There were multiple reasons for not liking it, and the primary ones were, first of all, it is very lengthy. Second of all, it has very difficult names. I mean, same character has different names in different parts of the story, and the names are so big, as far as I could recall, Avadocia, Romanoia, and things like that. Too lengthy names, too difficult names, not letting you link the story or the events. So very lengthy story, probably a poor translation as well. And I must not say that I hate this book, but this was just a waste of time. So I gave a second chance to Fyodor Dostoevsky because everyone around is talking about his writing. So I decided to pick his famous book that must be a smaller one, so that I do not engage myself in a very lengthy story yet again. But this book changed everything. White Nights by Fyodor Dostoevsky. Now, the version of the book that I have in my hand is from Penguin Classics, and it contains two stories. One is The White Nights and the second one is Bobok. Now, these two stories, both are interesting in their own way, but astonishingly, I liked Bobok more than the most popular White Nights. The White Nights was the story of a hope, of a character that meets a strange girl one night, and he attaches certain expectations with the girl. They meet for few nights, they share their life stories, and he shares how introvert he is, how nobody in the world is there to love him, and she shares her story, how she had a love 1 year back who has left the town, and he promised her that he will be back after a year and they will marry. He is back, but he is not responding to his letters, and he is not probably interested in her. So he attaches an expectations for her to be in his life, and later on the true love of that girl returns, and his hopes are turned into pieces. So a sad story, probably a sad ending for the guy who attached his expectations with the girl. But as I said, far more interesting than White Nights was a Bobok story. That is very interesting. Bobok is a story of a person who is able to listen to the conversations of people in graves, and he goes to the cemetery and he listens to the conversations of the dead people. Now, there are different types of people in the graveyard. Someone is a general officer who used to be general in the word, but definitely now he's in the grave. And somebody is a government official, and other is a noble lady, and then some naughty girl, and different types of people in that cemetery are talking to each other about their lives and their behaviors. And he observes them, such as the general speaks in the same dominating language the way he used to in the world, and people are submissive to him in the grave as well. All he can do is talk, that's all. He cannot move, he cannot do anything to anybody, but even then people are submissive to him in the graves. And finally somebody stands up and says that you are no more a general and you can do no harm to us. And then there is a cribbing, then there is a backbiting, and it all goes in a very lovely way. And the most beautiful thing about this story is, I love the stories that teach us lesson. Now, for the story to give sorrow or sadness for no reason is of no use, according to me. Now, the good thing about this story is it will help you. The Bobok story will help you reflect your own life. It will make you recall the day you gonna die, and what all things that are not completed yet, and you might leave those things as they are. So White Nights and Bobok, both are very interesting stories, and this small booklet of 90 pages is worth reading. Now, I want to know from you whether you have read Crime and Punishment or White Nights by Fyodor Dostoyevsky or any of the other work of Fyodor Dostoyevsky. Do you have any recommendation for me? Should I be picking up to continue reading Fyodor Dostoevsky? If you are interested in reading any of these two books, Crime and Punishment and White Nights, I am giving Amazon links in the pinned comment from where you can order these both books for yourself online. How far do you agree with me on this opinion about White Nights and Crime and Punishment? Please give your opinion in the comment section. And if you are someone who loves to read books, who loves to talk about books, who loves to share opinion about books, please give this video a like and subscribe to Bookish Talks. This is the platform that is wholly solely dedicated to talks related to books, lessons from the books, book reviews, book recommendations, and all about books. You're definitely gonna love it. Please subscribe to Bookish Talks, and I'll see you on the next one.